Hello and welcome to our short class, our mini course on how to use the Tradingview application. My name is Ademola Oladoja from the Forex Trading Inner Circle, and we've done day one, we've done day two, and this is going to be the final class for now for the short course because this is for the free subscribers. I have a package for the paid members which will be posted on the VIP section once it's ready. Then before I forget, if you are watching this video, there are some people that have the habit of posting. I came across Mrs. ABC. She helped me to trade. She's a wonderful person, and put phone number and put links there. These guys are scammers. So if anybody posts anything like that in the comment section, know that these are the scammers we are talking about. Please ignore it. I have no affiliation with these people. What they do is they post links below other people's content, and they claim that somebody helped them to trade and now they have become so rich and so on. So ignore such messages. I have no connection with these people. So let's continue for the class we have for today. Now, in the last class, I said I'm going to show you something called the screener. It helps you to screen the market and identify some trade setups. So in this class, I'm going to show you the screener, and secondly, I'll also show you how you can use candlestick patterns, because in Forex Trading Inner Circle, we don't believe in indicators. What we use is candlestick patterns. The screener basically works based on indicators, and I'm going to show you that. Now, before I show you all that, there's something I want you to know. I don't know whether you are aware of this or not, but let me just share this with you. Now, the Tradingview application actually is a web trader. That is, you use it directly on your web browser. But Tradingview has evolved to a level which you can use it on your desktop. So what I'm going to do now, I'll go to the home page of Tradingview. So this is the home page of Tradingview. Now, on the home page of Tradingview, we have products, right? We have community, markets, and so on. So if you go to more, in the more section, you see the desktop app, and you have the mobile app. So you can actually install Tradingview on your desktop, and just like you have MetaTrader installed on your desktop and you can trade with it, Tradingview has an application that works on Windows and on Android, iOS. In fact, let's click on it to have a look. Okay, so this is it, Tradingview desktop. So it works on a Linux, a Linux box. It works on the Mac and on PC. So this is the user interface. That's how it looks. You can change the color theme if you wish, just like the online version. You can install it on your system. Then they also have the one for mobile, which is for the Android and also for the iOS. And I think they have one for Google, a Chromebook, right? Okay, sorry, this one is for the browser. Okay, the browser version. So Tradingview has evolved over the years and provided so many platforms by which you can use the application. So to download this, just click on your appropriate your appropriate operating system, I mean, and you'll be able to download, install, and use the application. Another thing I must mention is that this class is based on the free version of Tradingview. So there's some limitations on what I can show you on Tradingview using this free version. So let's go back to products and go back to charts. Okay, so here we are back on the chart area, and I told you earlier that in Forex Trading Inner Circle, we don't use so much of indicators. In fact, what we use basically is pivot point and some other very important tools. Those are what we use. And we also use a lot of price action in trading. So that's why I'm going to mention tools that are related to what we use. So let's talk about the price action and candlestick reading, and which under indicators you can have access to them. So I'm going to click on indicators here, and under indicators we have indicator strategies, volume profile. We're looking at candlestick patterns. So let's click on that. Okay, so the candlestick patterns, let me just pick one pattern. We have lots of patterns here: abandoned baby, dark cloud cover, doji star, and so on. Let's take, for instance, engulfing bearish. Let's just pick that. See, I've picked that. So all I need to do is to click out or close. See this close button? Just click on it. Now, TradingView has identified all the bearish engulfing patterns on the chart. As you can see from the left here, this was a bearish engulfing pattern, and which the price has gone down, then picked up another one here, another one here, the price went down, another one here, the price went down. Though I'm looking at these patterns that TradingView has picked, I see that there are some inaccuracies in this identification of the bearish engulfing pattern, and also there are some parameters that are not suitable based on our own trading system in FTIC. But at least you have a glimpse, at least a glimpse of what these patterns, where they are, and if they are forming right now, you'll be able to say, okay, this is another one. For instance, the TradingView did not identify this as an bearish engulfing, and I'm surprised it didn't. So those are the things that I'm seeing here. That's one. And the next one is I want to go to the screener. This one is not giving you any alerts that, okay, these are the currency pairs that has. You have to open the chart and load this before you can see it. And the screener, unfortunately, does not have the facility to identify the pair that is having a bearish engulfing on all the pairs in the forex market and say, okay, list the ones that are having the bearish engulfing patterns and display them to me. No, TradingView doesn't have that facility as at now that I'm doing this class, but it has it on indicators. So let's go back to the home page of TradingView as tradingview.com. Let's leave the site. Okay, we're back. So here we are at the home page of tradingview.com. So under products again, I'm going to come up to products, and then I'm going to select screeners. Now under screeners, we have the Forex, we have the stock, we have crypto. We are focusing on Forex in this class. So I'm going to click on Forex. So here we are. So this is the screener. Now you see we have the currency pairs here. We have 49 matches, UD carry, UDCHF. But what is this screener identifying? Is identifying pair things related to moving average, simple moving average of 20 period, 50 period, 200 period. Those are the things that this screener is identifying. And we have different types. We have the performance oscillator and trend following. Look at the oscillators. This one is based on oscillators. See, and the next one here, let me quickly pick it. There's another one. Let's go look at trend following. So that's where we have the moving average. So there's nothing that you can use here to say, okay, I want to look at all patterns that are based on maybe wave cycle, on candlestick formations, on the support and resistance levels. It doesn't have the capacity to do that. So well, it's okay. The screener is doing a great job. You can explore it, go to your system and see how it works. But based on the trading system we are using in the Forex Trading Inner Circle, the screener that we have here doesn't have the capacity to identify the kind of trade opportunities that we take in the Forex Trading Inner Circle. But at least it's worth giving a try. This is a very nice application. It helps you to measure your risk to reward ratio. It helps you to see the markets in a more dynamic way. So with that, we have come to the end of this free class on TradingView. Now, concerning our paid program in the Forex Trading Inner Circle, to take our training, you need to have the patience of learning this business well before bringing your money into it. And you use a learning account with a very small amount, say $20, yeah, to learn. and the $20 will be escalated to 2000 USC. Use that to trade, and when you get the understanding of the market with that real money, because we don't believe in demo account, we don't use demo accounts in FTIC. When you understand it, you have adopted the trading and you start seeing results, that's when you now put a bigger money into the business. In addition to that, there is a tool I'm creating for all the paid members of Forex Trading Inner Circle. I did the first launch earlier this year, and the tool had some bugs, and our programmers are at work, working so hard to make sure that we do something that has never been done in the history of Forex trading. In the entire world, I've not seen any coach or anybody that have created a tool like this for Forex traders. And I'm doing this because I have passion for traders. I want you to actually succeed in the business. So if you're a paid member of the Forex Trading Inner Circle, you will have free access to this tool. And that's why I want you to upgrade your membership. If you're a paid member, you did your training halfway, you did not finish your class so that you can have access to this tool. And if you're a free subscriber and you are not yet a member of Forex Trading Inner Circle, before the end of September, that will be 30th of September, which is Friday. I'm talking about next week, Friday. Before next week, Friday, I'm doing this recording on the 22nd of September 2022. Before next week, Friday, make sure you join us because we're going to lock up new enrollments by the end of September 2022. We want to get busy with our paid members. We want to get busy with those who have done a financial commitment to our program. For you free subscribers, I love you as well, but I want to put more attention on people that are my paid students for the next 3 months, which is October, November, December. I want to focus on those who are paid for our program. Then next year, well, we can allow more people to join. But if you want to join us, please do so now before we close the doors. So to join, what you just need to do is to type hello forex as a WhatsApp message to 0818 599 0414. And if you are communicating with us from outside Nigeria, just add +234 818 599 0414. And then I give you a feedback and we start the journey. Thank you for attending this class. Up to this stage, I really appreciate you. Have a fantastic day and I wish you success in your trading. Bye.